Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change DPI settings in Samsung Galaxy A16. If you're using A16 and now you want to change your DPI settings, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for display option. From here, just select screen zoom, and from here you can easily increase or decrease your screen zoom whenever you want. But if you want to make the setting from your developer options, so let's see how can you do that. Just go back, go for main settings. From main settings, just tap on about phone, then go for software information. Then you must have to keep tapping on bill number until you have to enter your pin. If you don't have any pin, just select OK to allow developer settings. Once you have enabled, you can see developer mode has been enabled. Now go back and just further scroll up and you will find developer options here. Just tap on it, and here you must have to look for minimum width in this menu. You can easily search it from here and just search for minimum. You will get the minimum width setting in your developer options. Just tap on it, and here just tap on this, and here from here you can easily enter your customized minimum width. Let's say I'm going to enter 500. Just tap on OK. So that's how you can easily change GPI in your Samsung Galaxy A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.